guys, let's go ahead and get started. So as you can see, my hair is dry and I just combed out a style. So I'm needing to re-moisturize it. And I'm going to go in with Aunt Jackie's Buttercream. This is their Intensive Moisture Sealant. And I like to use this whenever it's time to re-moisturize my hair because it provides a lot of moisture throughout the week. So I'm going to be doing some flat twists just to style my hair. But all that I did was I just sectioned off a section and then I applied a generous amount of the moisture sealant. And now I'm just flat twisting my hair over. I applied a deep side part and I'm just simply flat twisting all the way over to my other ear. Now I really like this moisture sealant because like I said, it does last me throughout the week. So whenever, I'm feeling like my hair is kind of dry and dehydrated, I like to add this product. Sometimes I add it with a little bit of water, but I'm doing it on dry hair today because I don't want that much shrinkage. But as you can see later on in the video, I still get shrinkage. So I just defeated the whole purpose. But so I'm just going to continue those same steps all around the remaining sections of my hair. I'm going to apply a generous amount of that moisture sealant, and then I'm just going to simply flat twist my hair, and you guys just continue to watch and see how I do this. All right, you guys, so once my hair is fully dry, I am just going to go ahead and unravel these flat twists. And there is a little oil on my hands, but just a tiny bit. But for the most part, you guys will get to see how my hair is shiny and moisturized from that intensive moisture sealant. So just continue to watch as I take these down, and then we're gonna go in and of course, pick it out. This is my final look, you guys. So my hair looks very moisturized, very shiny, and it feels very hydrated. Have you guys tried this intensive moisture sealant? Let me know. Comment down below and let me know if you tried it and your thoughts on it. And as always, I'll talk to you guys on my next video. Bye.